On January 29, 2025, PSA Airlines Flight 5342, a bombardier, collided mid-air with a U.S. Army Sikorsky Black Hawk helicopter near Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport. The collision resulted in a fiery explosion, and both aircraft crashed into the Potomac River, killing all 67 people on board. The flight, operated as American Eagle, was carrying 60 passengers and 4 crew members, while the helicopter had 3 military personnel. Among the passengers were U.S. figure skating athletes, including former world champions Evgenia Shishkova and Vadim Naumov. This was the first fatal accident involving American Airlines since 2001 and the deadliest U.S. aviation disaster since then. The crash happened moments after air traffic control cleared the helicopter for visual separation from Flight 5342. The collision was caught on camera, and witnesses described the airliner splitting in half before hitting the water. Within hours, 28 bodies were recovered, but officials declared there were no survivors. The crash forced Ronald Reagan Airport to shut down, diverting flights to nearby airports. Harsh weather conditions, including freezing temperatures and strong winds, made search and recovery efforts difficult. The NTSB, FAA, and U.S. military launched investigations, while the FBI ruled out terrorism. American Airlines set up a hotline for affected families, and CEO Robert Isom addressed the tragedy. President Donald Trump called it a terrible accident, while Transportation Secretary Sean Duffy said it was preventable. Recovery efforts continue as officials search for debris and answers to what caused this devastating crash. Accidents like this make us wonder, was it preventable or just bad luck? Share your thoughts in the comments.